guys, it's me, Corrado, and if you don't know me, I'm one of Joseph's and not a friend, and we're gonna play Super Smash Bros. For Wii U. And now let's begin. So it's an awesome game. There's tons of characters you can get. There's this cool video. Let me show you it. Okay? Okay. Fire. It's really cool. Now there's like a wee fit girl. And there's team battles. There's new characters like Lil Mac. There's Toon Link. Now there's Greninja, Wii Fit, Little Mac, and her. I don't know, and Robin. I don't know. Okay. Okay, let's begin now. It's gonna smash. As always, I'm Little Mac. Okay, we're gonna play Pac-Man. Well, random guys. It's gonna be Pac-Man. So, the guy a computer is supposed to be Pac-Man. And I'm Little Mac. So he's gonna fight. Now we're gonna fight. This is the strongest weapon. See, I just killed him. No, it's stuck in that trap. Ooh, these give you power-ups. These give you power-ups. So, I just turned into a big guy. He's awesome. Ooh, I died again. Okay, we just ended our first battle and we're done.